The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G stands out in the mid-range smartphone market with its robust performance and modern, sleek design. Available in 4 vibrant colors, it features a distinctive metal flat frame and a 3-camera layout that offers both an easy grip and a visually appealing aesthetic. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display ensures a vivid and detailed viewing experience, perfect for gaming and multimedia. Security features include an under-display fingerprint scanner and Samsung Knox Vault, protecting user data effectively. Performance-wise, the Galaxy A55 5G excels with its 5G capabilities, offering fast and reliable connectivity. Comes with 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via a microSD card. Samsung guarantees 4 years of software updates and 5 years of security updates, ensuring the device stays current and secure. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting power, and supports 25 watts super-fast charging, which can fully charge the phone in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. Photography enthusiasts will find the Galaxy A55 5G's camera system impressive. Enhanced audio quality from the speakers makes it ideal for media consumption and communication. The Galaxy A55 5G is also water and dust resistant, adding to its durability in various environments. The 32MP front camera captures clear, high-contrast selfies, while the rear setup includes a 50MP wide-angle, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera. Equipped with nightography, these cameras excel in low-light conditions by absorbing more light for bright, sharp, and color-accurate photos. The phone also supports 4K video stabilization, ensuring smooth and high-quality video recording. Despite not supporting the latest AI features, it offers a balanced mix of performance, camera capabilities, and design at a competitive price of 10,499 rands. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a versatile and reliable smartphone catering to a wide range of users.